Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Eurowings, it's our pleasure to welcome you on this service to New York. My name is Cam Paparni. I'm the responsible purser on this Airbus A320.
Hey, what's up guys? For those who are new here, I'm Lothar from Düsseldorf, Germany, and my channel is about video photography, dope tech, and yeah, in the beginning you saw that short clip from New York City. That was my visit in New York City, link below here. You can watch please after this movie. It's a 7-daily vlog in New York City, and this video is about audio or sound effects, tips or tricks, and I highly appreciate if you subscribe, because we all creators invest a lot of time and money to make movies on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So what makes the video, this clip, the first 40-50 seconds, so interesting? It's of course the actor, New York City. New York City is great. Everybody I know loves New York City, but in the beginning you saw just the script of my film New York City, and in the background there was the co-pilot or stewardess who were talking to the passengers. This I just record with my smartphone. I have an iPhone, and wherever you somewhere, don't forget to record audio. So for example, watch this clip without audio sound, without sound effects. The title has not the stewardess talking, and the skyline from New York City is so beautiful, but the police car and the voice of the street, I grabbed my iPhone and just record, and I think it was Fifth Avenue. And then from this scene to the top of the rock elevator, I have a bottle of water, and record with the iPhone when I'm opening the bottle of water. And now check the video with these sound effects.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Eurowings, it's our pleasure to welcome you on this service to New York. My name is Cam Paparni. I'm the responsible purser on this Airbus A320.
So whenever you're thinking or planning to make a video, either for YouTube or for some other things, think about before maybe what audio effects or sound effects you can add to your clip, because that's make the difference. I hope you like to watch this video. I highly appreciate your visit on my channel. Wish you a good one. Peace.